Do you feel difficulty with erection or struggle with intimacy or performance in the bed with your partner? Is this erection problem making you feel stressed or low confident? If you are dealing with it, then no worries. You are not alone. Millions of men are struggling with erectile dysfunction worldwide. Today in this video, I will discuss honestly and respectfully the symptoms, cause, and most importantly, natural and holistic treatment option for erectile dysfunction. Hello everyone, a warm good morning to all of you. I am Dr. Himanshu Parashar. I am men's sexual health expert from Bharat Homeopathy. On this channel, I will talk about men's health, including both men's general wellness and men's sexual health. Today's topic is erectile dysfunction or ED, and I hope this video will bring clarity, comfort, and direction. So let's begin. Erectile dysfunction is the consistent inability to get or maintain an erection firm enough for sexual activity. See, it is very normal or face erection difficulty occasionally. It could be due to stress or fatigue. But if it's happened regularly, it may be time to look deeper. See, ED is not a disease. It is a symptoms. It can be physical, psychological, or a mix of both. And it's completely treatable with customized and personalized treatment. Now let's discuss the symptoms of erectile dysfunction. How you can identify that you are seriously struggling with it and when you should talk to your doctor. So its common symptoms are difficulty getting an erection, trouble keeping an erection, reduced interest in sex performance, anxiety or fear of failure, low self-confidence due to bedroom issues, relationship stress as a result of erectile dysfunction. If you are facing 2 or more of these symptoms for more than 3 months, that's a sign of consult a healthcare provider. Now let's come to the causes of erectile dysfunction. It is not only a physical cause, but psychological causes contribute to its development. Let's discuss them separately. Okay, so now let's first talk about physical causes of ED. In most cases, especially for men over 40 years, the problem is blood flow or nerves related. Now, what could be the common cause of ED? It could be diabetes, especially type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, heart disease, obesity, smoking, vaping, low testosterone level, side effect of certain medicines like antidepressant, blood pressure pills, prostate surgery or injury. Now it's time to discuss psychological causes of erectile dysfunction. Believe it or not, even young healthy men can experience it, often due to mental health and lifestyle factors. So let's know what they could be. Psychological causes may be like anxiety, depression, porn addiction, stress from work or family, and relationship conflicts. And certain lifestyle habits like lack of sleep, excess alcohol, poor diet, or lack of exercise can also trigger it. If you are struggling with erectile dysfunction, your doctor may prescribe oral medicines like sildenafil, tadalafil, and Levitra and Stendra, and they may also advise you of testosterone replacement therapy and vacuum pump. But these medicines work for a certain periods of time and do not resolve the problem completely. They may also cause side effects over time, but the good thing is that ED can be well treated with Bharat Homeopathic medicines, which have no side effect and they bring result in the shortest possible time. Bharat Homeopathy has an answer to every man's problem, as we treat the problem from the root cause with our personalized and customized treatment. So if you are struggling with any sexual problem, don't worry, it's normal and can be treated. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more men's health related interesting video. Thank you.